Good afternoon and welcome to the world of diagnostics with affordable wearables. Globally and in India, timely medical attention still remains unavailable to a vast section of the society. Key attributes being lack of infrastructure at remote and rural areas, untrained professionals leading to inefficient diagnosis, lack of data remotely during emergency, time and cost of diagnosis. While India has advanced medical systems and is a popular destination for medical tourism, the country still has one of the lowest bed-to-patient ratio. Additionally, a mere 1.2% of the GDP is spent on healthcare, and we have a dearth of 600,000 doctors and 3 million nurses in the country. With poor infrastructure in rural areas and high out-of-pocket expenses, the country faces 1 million deaths every year, including a high maternal death rate. My invention is a unified device that uses non-invasive sensors and allows any individual with no formal training to measure multiple health vitals of a subject with an equipment transferring the data to a medical professional who then determines the appropriate course of action. The modular design is broken into three main units: the thumb and palm sensor units, the display, process, and communication unit, and the battery unit. The host of vital measurement includes hemoglobin and blood pressure, in addition to fetal heart rate and pregnancy contractions, which help in monitoring maternal and fetal safety during pregnancy. Today, multiple devices which perform the same function retail at around $1,000 to $2,000, whereas our early prototypes cost us only a fifth of it. An independent third-party study showed that we can retail the product at $125 with a 40% margin while mass manufacturing, and you would be surprised to know that this is less than half of the average out-of-pocket expenses incurred by a patient in India. Our pilot markets include India, Middle East, and Europe. Apart from product sales, our revenue streams also include subscription to our patient record analytics dashboard and technology licensing agreements. Our business strategy is divided into three phases: the pilot phase in India, Germany, and UAE, mass manufacturing phase with full-scale sales in other regions, and the global rollout phase. We have a well-rounded team to execute this vision. I, Suraj, am a serial entrepreneur with over 8 patents, 3 innovation grants to my credit. I co-founded 3 startups, one of which is currently valued at $4 million. My co-founder, Dr. Anu, is a renowned epidemiologist and biostatistician who has published several articles in journals in the medical industry. Fruware is also led and mentored by a team with over 100 years of combined professional experience in various companies, including Philips, Samsung, Intel, etc. Having completed initial trials on over 100 subjects, we're currently seeking USD 200,000 for building improved prototypes for further trials and certifications, batch production to test market acceptance, and we're also seeking mentorship and assistance from industry experts and research institutions. Stories from my ancestors about ancient physicians who would touch you on specific points of a body and determine the illness was the inspiration behind the device. Thank you, and I hope you join me in the journey of accessible diagnostics with a unified frugal wearable at the touch of your fingertip.
Thank you.
Any questions?